Most of us, not her, starts our day with a cup of coffee. So why not continue the theme and use it in your food?
Not yet. But this could be an option. This could
be the on-ramp to coffee paradise for you.
Slippery slope. Okay, that's exactly what we're doing today because Mary Berg is here. She's going to show us how to make a couple of great coffee-infused recipes.
Yeah. So I love coffee, but we're gonna get you on that coffee turnpike.
I like how you're trying to push the coffee. You guys are like pushers.
It's a good thing. It's delicious.
The first taste is free. All right, and we're gonna start with pancakes.
Yes. So like, what is more morning than coffee? I would suggest pancakes. Like it's a thing. So, and pancakes are easy. You can get the box. It's super simple.
Yeah.
But making them yourself is also very easy.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Never done it.
It's very, oh my gosh.
I'm a box girl.
Everything, that's okay. So was my mom. I grew up on those.
Yeah.
That was like the cottage.
Exactly. That's what it is.
Okay, so in here we've got flour, just a little bit of sugar. There's only about a tablespoon of sugar in here. Baking powder, baking soda, and a bit of salt.
Everything we have.
Everything we have, it's easy. Everything that's powdery in your kitchen, just throw it in. And then we have buttermilk, which is my favorite ingredient in the world. It's like thick and delicious, but like low fat, even though it's called buttermilk. It's confusing. And then we're gonna add in half a cup of coffee.
Is that just cold cough?
Just cold cough.
Okay.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
I'm getting the hang of this coffee thing.
A little bit of vanilla.
Am I to turn?
Yeah, you do you.
To spin? Okay.
Then you do you. Then we're gonna do some instant espresso powder.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're going double coffee.
Now, can you give these pancakes to your children?
No, never do that.
Well, you could, and then just send them to school.
That's smart. That was always my thing. When I taught Sunday school, I'd give them candy at the end. Be like, go to see your parents now.
Yeah.
But it's super
that does smell good.
And instead of espresso powder, I find has almost a chocolatey note to it. So it's really good. Then we're gonna add an egg to that.
Okay.
And this is where the whisking.
She does this is how much of a pro.
You just keep mixing.
Oh, right. Yeah. So she's like, she cracks her eggs on a flat surface. I always think that it has to be like on an angle.
No, you want to do a flat surface.
Wait, what?
Yeah, because if you do it on an angle, it forces the shell into it. So if you do it on a flat surface, it just breaks it.
Yeah, Linz, everybody knows
that. You know that too. Oh, I'm hearing, am I the last to the party here?
No, well, you're in now.
And you have not gotten to the yolk yet. I'm watching this thing.
Okay, sorry. I know, he's hungry.
She needs coffee. He's had coffee. And then, so we're gonna add that into this delicious
pour it in?
Pour it on in. Use that whisk.
Whisk it out.
I like this whisking while pouring.
Well done.
Oh, I don't know if that looks weird.
No, just start going.
Okay.
Okay, so this is, keep going.
Looks delicious.
And then we're gonna add in, we're gonna add in some melted butter, because why not?
Now, how chunky should it not be?
Okay, no, chunky is actually good.
Sorry?
So pancake batter is something that if it looks wrong, you kind of want it.
Really?
You want it to look a little wrong.
Why do you want it chunky?
Because
you're trying to make her feel better.
No, this is real because, okay, so you're gonna do a little bit more than this, but you want some lumps.
Okay.
I've never heard that.
Yeah.
So I always thought you had to be smooth.
No, because if it's smooth, that develops the gluten, and then they get chewy.
I didn't know that.
Yes,
We want a fluffy bit. This is perfect. You nailed it.
You want free-range gluten.
But like how you're pretending like you know all of this.
Right? I know all of this. All right?
Ben is like, he's getting there.
Mary and I, we got a thing going on in this kitchen.
We go way back, yeah. But we're gonna add to the pan, and this is something, so when you're frying pancakes, I think you should fry them. Like, you can do it healthy and use cooking spray.
No.
But I'm a fan of a chunk of butter.
Butter is better.
And a little bit of oil.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oil?
Because the oil actually makes the butter have a higher temperature smoke point, so it doesn't burn. So delicious.
Yes, that happens.
Okay, and if you would ladle in some of that into there, and I'm gonna put you on pancake control.
It already smells so good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Okay,
All right.
so
just ladle it on in.
We're gonna have to move on.
Yeah, and now Ben and I are gonna do this.
Yeah, I love this part.
So this is mascarpone cheese. It's delicious because we're doing tiramisu pancakes.
Which is essentially a custard.
Yeah, it's so good. So if you would mix that up with whatever implement you would like.
Okay, this, you want me to just mash?
Yeah, mash. And then I'm gonna put in a little bit of icing sugar.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
we're getting there.
Give me more sugar. Give me more sugar.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We're going in.
Yeah,
Again, this is kind of fly by the seat of your pants. A little bit of whipping cream. And you know what? If we can't get it done, we're on TV. But the thing, to make this really tiramisu-y, we add a little bit of marsala. But we're not going to do that today because we have Lindsey here.
Yeah.
And marsala's wine. It's delicious. So these are like fancy brunch pancakes.
Wow.
Besides, we have the magic of TV allows us to...
To do this.
Yeah,
one of these.
look at this. And down this goes. Look at that.
But basically, all we do now, Lindsey, these look beautiful.
Thank you.
Actually.
I don't know which one to use, but I'm using both.
But these are the pancakes.
Right.
You've nailed it.
So when should I flip? When they see bubbles, holes?
So you want the bubbles to actually burst on the top, and then they're going to be perfect.
Okay, great.
Okay, and now I'm going to decorate while you do that.
Yeah, here, go over here.
Okay.
Because I got to do the eating.
The first thing we do is we get some cocoa powder.
Nice.
To make it like a tiramisu. Yeah. And then we put on this delicious...
Do it like a taco for me.
What, just like a taco?
Yeah, I'll fold it up and eat it.
Okay.
And can go to the next thing.
Perfect. Let me do this.
Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay.
And then there's coffee maple syrup. Get it. Go.
Here we go.
I'm going to do this.
Take this like this.
Amazing.
Okay, just pour a little on.
A little bit.
Drizzle a little in there. Just a tiny bit. Okay, good.
Okay, and now All we have to do is make donuts. Is it good?
I'll make donuts.
Okay. Your hands.
That's great.
Lindsey, now would you like to make donuts with me while Ben eats his pancake?
Because it's so elegant watching him eat.
All
like
you
that.
need. So
Okay,
this
yes.
is just
It's
a
Taco
glaze.
Tuesday.
It's super easy. It is Taco Tuesday. So this is just a glaze of icing sugar, a bit of milk, some instant espresso powder, and some vanilla.
Okay.
That's it. Then we get donuts, and all we do is this.
We just dippers?
We dunk.
You're gonna
Yeah.
like these. I tested them earlier.
Okay, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that
And
was
then
good. And then
a little bit of chocolate-covered espresso beans if you want.
And you know what? Chocolate-covered, this is like a double dip. I'm
Yeah.
gonna do one of these too.
There's,
Oh, look at that.
Okay, wait, watch this, ready? Is this wild or what on this Tuesday?
We're getting all the coffee in this Tuesday.
You're blowing my mind.
There's coffee in everything. We've already had some coffee. Well, Ben and I have.
These are delicious. Thank you so
God.
much. Of course, all the recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca. We'll be right back.